Hi, and welcome to the Complete Computer Vision course. This fully updated course is the most popular course on Udemy to help guide you from zero to hero in learning computer vision. With many solved projects, we designed this course to be your best resource for learning computer vision. So, why learn computer vision? Computer vision is a discipline of computer science that tries to extract and analyze the information of interest contained in an image or sequence of images. The fields of application grow every day and range from face recognition to early diagnosis of diseases, robot guidance, or automatic driving. Computer vision is by far a growing field. Whether you want to work in automation, game development, data science, machine learning, web development, or more, computer vision can help you build anything you can think of. Best of all, we make it easy to learn this very powerful tool. So, who is this course for? This course is designed to be well suited for complete beginners to programming. It's also suitable for programmers who are experienced in computer science and now want to pick up a new skill of computer vision. Finally, we've also made this course approachable for programmers who know basic computer vision but now want to level up their skills with advanced topics in this course. Therefore, whether you are a beginner or if you want to improve your knowledge and considerably increase your level, this is your course. This is the most complete computer vision course on Udemy, as it covers all the content taught at the University of the degree in computer science and computer engineering. With this, we finish this course introduction lesson. See you along the course.